across the board. About 1%, 3/4 of 1% losses for the Dow and the S&P. You can see Nasdaq is down that amount. WTI ticking up today, just shy of $115 a barrel. So, Steph, we say we're on edge a bit in the market ahead of the deadline tonight. These really unprecedented social media posts from the president. Oil's up. The VIX is above 25. What are we to do?
I mean, it feels binary, doesn't it? About tonight, we're all going to be watching 8 o'clock tonight or listening, or whatever it is that we're going to hear about. We don't even know if we're going to hear anything in general. So what do? We have to just lean on what we're seeing from the economy, because the economy, even in my opinion, it has held up remarkably well, Scott. I always cite a lot of various different data points, but they're still pretty good, and thankfully. So that just speaks to the tailwind that we had before the war, and that had a lot to do with the administration's pro-growth policies, deregulation. The One Big Beautiful Bill is kicking in. I thought it's interesting, the tax receipts year to date are up 4%. That's a little bit better than expected. And all the labor market data points last week came in better than expected. We got an ISM manufacturing that's north of 50, 3 months in a row. We had an ISM services up north of 50. So it's hard to ignore that the economy is still hanging in. Yes, if the war lasts longer, then it's going to slow materially. But for now, what I think is very interesting, even though strategists are lowering their targets on the S&P 500, they're actually increasing their earnings. Even